Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be what I'm calling a late night power hour, simply because I recorded this about 10:30, 11 o'clock last night, and yeah, so it was late at night and I didn't have that much time to clean, but I knew I needed to get some stuff done. So I recorded this on Monday, I recorded this on Tuesday, you're seeing it Thursday, so this is actually probably the most current video I've ever uploaded, which is sad, but yeah. And I just started my night we got home from the store. I just wanted to take my shoes off, so that's what I did. I took my shoes off, then I started cleaning up my room because I didn't have much time when I got home from the gym, and since it was the Tuesday after Labor Day, I pretty much had to unpack my bags from spending a 3-day weekend somewhere else, so I had to unpack and I had to get my calendars ready and my planners ready and get back to normal life. So that's what you saw. You saw me clean up my room a little bit, take off my shoes, and now I'm starting to unpack. And if you want me to do a pack with me video, let me know down in the comments below and I can totally do that video. And the only thing I had unpacked before leaving for the gym that day was my computer. Everything else was still in my bags. The only thing I took out was my Kindle, which is my camera currently, and my laptop. And I left my Fitbit charger out because I was going to get in the shower after I got done filming this and charge my Fitbit while I was in there, so it's just easier to leave it out instead of having to put it away and take it back out later. And since I was going back and forth between the bed and my closet, that's what you're seeing. I just didn't move the camera like I should have because it was so late and I just wanted to get done. Okay, so now that I'm done unpacking and putting everything in my other closet, I'm just going to sort my laundry that I had. And I usually wouldn't sort it, it's just that I found that it's easier if I sort the smaller loads, if I sort it out every night, or if I sort it out as I get home from my grandpa's, then I don't have to sort every week when I do a load. So it's just easier to do it this way. And I will link my most recent laundry routine in the cards somewhere or in the description box down below. And while I was in the closet sorting my laundry, I just decided that I was going to pick out my clothes for the next day because I do this every night anyway, and if I was doing it now, at least I didn't have to do it later. And that is when the cat joined. He was in my window already, and he just decided to get out of the window and come pay a visit. So right here, he's showing you all his fur. And I picked him up and was messing with him. And no, I'm not hurting him. This is just sped up, so it looks a little bit worse than it actually was. And he actually likes when you do that. He likes to be tortured or tormented or whatever you want to call it. And of course he had to come back, and I'm just leaving it in here because it seems like a lot of people like to see what my cats are up to when I'm filming, and this is what this one does. He likes to sit in front of the camera and somewhat show off. Now I'm just unpacking the bathroom portion of my bag. I just put it in a big clear bag and then go put it wherever it belongs in the bathroom. It's just easier this way, and it doesn't get all over my stuff if something explodes. And I know this seems a little bit weird to do at 11 o'clock at night, but I've been meaning to change my sheets out for a while, and I knew since I was getting in the shower tonight, I may as well just do it tonight. So that's what I'm doing. And I didn't wash these sheets. I actually washed these sheets that Wednesday morning before I did anything else. But I wanted to get them off the bed. That way I had fresh sheets. And I actually have 3 sets of sheets that I switch out throughout the year, and that is one of my things. How often do you actually wash your sheets, and how often do you actually switch out your sheets to different ones? Because I know most people say they have 2 sets. I have 3 because I have a spring summer set, the set that I have on right now, and the cowboy set that I'm about to put on. And that's part of the reason I am changing it this night, is because football season officially starts Sunday for us. And before anyone asks, I am putting about 6 different blankets on my bed. And they are all thin, so it's not like I'm going to be burning up. And it is getting colder around here. And it's always freezing in my bedroom anyway, so I like to have like at least 4 blankets on my bed at all times. I'm just one of those people. Some people have throw pillows. I have blankets. And during football season, I have throw pillows and stuffed animals as well. And most of the stuffed animals stay on the bed year round anyway. So my camera died, so I ended up having to switch over to my webcam. That's why the lighting changed. And the more I watch this, I probably should have changed into leggings or pants before I actually filmed. And that's what the bed looks like made when it is completely said and done. And yes, I'm anal retentive when it comes to where I'm putting my sheets and where each comforter goes, so yeah. And since I'm not going to do my dirty load of sheets, I just shove those in my laundry basket. So the final thing I did before calling it done with this was change out my calendar from August to September. And I just wanted to get this done. That's why I did it this night and didn't wait till the morning, because I just didn't want to wake up in the morning and see August again. I just wanted to get everything changed. So that's it for this power hour. In all reality, even with moving the camera, it took me about 45 to 50 minutes. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more power hours or cleaning or motivation videos, let me know down below. And if you've not done so already, hit the red subscribe button, and I will see you next week with a new video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.